seriously have no idea how women wear these super long, luscious eyelashes on a daily basis. I'm here in Atlanta, so I see it all here, but I love the look. I can barely kind of see out of them, but I love the look, so I don't know how you do it on a daily basis, but for a special occasion, kind of like a YouTube video, I might sport it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Velcro Collections YouTube channel. My name is Nick, and if it's your first time here with us, welcome to our channel. I hope that you will subscribe and also hit the bell button, because this is the place where you're going to find great hair tutorials, hair tips, and lots of giveaways. We do giveaways on every single video. Now, when I say hair tips, I mean hair extension tips. Everything else, well, there's other channels for that. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating for you a piece from our collection. It's our Velcro Wrap Kinky Straight Pony. Now, this ponytail I'm going to be demonstrating today is our 22-inch, but we offer it in a lot of different lengths. So if you'd like something a little more dramatic or a little less dramatic, we have it for you. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you pretty much the construction of how we created this very super thick ponytail, and also to how to apply it. First step is basically put your natural hair into a ponytail. Whether you have short or long hair, you just need to make sure that you have a really nice tight ponytail, because the weight of the actual hair extension pony is going to rely on that. So you want to position your ponytail pretty much right where you want the pony to fall. So if you want something lower, higher, you're going to need some hairpins. I would suggest at least, 3 or 4 hairpins, depending on the length of your ponytail or how thick your hair is. Typically, if you have shorter hair like mine, you're probably going to need about 3 or 4 is what I use. If you have longer hair, you might not need as many, but you want to make sure you have some of these on standby. And then also too, you will need to have a ponytail holder. I would find the biggest ponytail holder you have. This is the biggest one I could find. I will explain why you need this in just a second. So now you're all prepped up. I have my pony here. What you want to do with that ponytail holder is you want to try and get a grip on all this hair, because you have some working that you need to do and it might get in the way. So I have discovered that it's better to take your ponytail holder and just kind of pony the hair a little bit before, maybe like to right there. So this is the length of the ponytail. So this will give you control while you're trying to wrap this around your ponytail. You do want to go ahead and pull out your wrap piece as well. Have that ready. Now, each ponytail comes with a comb, this comb right here on the inside. Now this is what you're going to put, not right here. See how I do this. You're not going to want to put that comb right into the ponytail. You want to put it just a little bit further forward, because you want it to just kind of slide and sit. Not too far forward, but just a tad bit further. I know a lot of times people like to put that comb right in there. Step is you want to really take your time. This is probably going to be at the 5 minutes, the most minutes you're going to spend on putting this ponytail in, but you really want to curve it around your ponytail. And that might take, like I said, a few more minutes than the rest of all these steps. So the first step I'm going to do is find my little area. Here's my ponytail, and I'm going to slip it right above there and dig that comb in. My hair is a little natural, so it's not the easiest. Now boom, that's in there. And I still have some pretty decent support. Next, I'm going to flip it around like this, so you can see where my ponytail is and where that comb is. Hopefully you can see that. So when I get around this thing one time with my little tail piece, that is where I'm going to start pinning. So the next step is just to take off the hairband that you put on the pony to help with control. Okay, so once you take your band out off the ponytail, you are ready to go. Here is the finished product. And as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous hair. It is really in there good. Like, it is not going to come out. Like, it's on there. Okay, so that's, you know, style option one. Here is another option for styling your ponytail. So to do a bubble pony with our Kinky Straight ponytail, you're going to need a hairband and also too, some clear, small, super small rubber bands. You can find these in your beauty supply store, or I think I ordered mine off of Amazon.com, but you're going to need some of these, okay? The first step is to first brush out your pony. Make sure there's no tangles. You want to get the hair as straight as possible. The next step is you're going to take your ponytail holder, hairband, I don't know, is it ponytail holder or headband? I don't know, one or the other. And you're going to position this right where you want your first bubble to be. Okay, so just take your time in putting this on. You're going to take your hair, squeeze it real tight, and pull that through. Okay, just like that. Hope you guys can see that. Alright, so that's where my first bubble is going to go. So you're going to take your rubber band and position it right where you have the ponytail holder. And next, you're just going to slide the ponytail holder down to where you want the next bubble to be. I don't have a mirror, so I'm just going to try and estimate where I want it to be. And it'll say like right there. Okay? You're going to take another clear band and you're going to do it again. And basically, you just keep doing this process until you get to the end of your ponytail, as many bubbles as you like or as little bubbles as you like. So, then you're going to need to bubble it. So basically I just stretch out these areas where the bubbles are to create a more of a bubble look. Stretch that. Just like that. I'm not looking in the mirror, so I can't see if I've bubbled it out enough, but essentially you get the point. So for the high bun, what you're going to need to do is take your hair and put it in a really high ponytail. So something like this. It can even come even higher if you'd like. Just really depends on how you want your bun to sit, but something in this neighborhood is good, okay? So the next step is to put your pony on. Now we're going to put your ponytail on in reverse. So before we used to put the comb here on top, this time you're actually going to do it on the bottom, and I'll show you how it's done. What you want to do is make sure that your ponytail is nice and detangled and brushed out. You also too want to pay attention to where the area of the Velcro is. Sometimes the hair gets caught in there, and so you just take your brush, here I'll show you. You just take your brush and just pull it out of there, very gently of course. Now our pony is ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to bend my head down and put that comb right above the actual my hair ponytail, and make sure it sits nice and snug in there, just like that. Now as you can see, I'm not using a ponytail holder to control the hair, because you'll notice when you do this, you have a lot more control of the hair because you have your head bent down, so it's not really necessary. I mean, you could still do it, but not needed. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap the Velcro around my ponytail. And again, you want to take your time with this one because this is your security measure. You want to make sure you have it really wrapped well. Then I'm going to take my little tail side of it and go ahead and tighten it down and secure it into place. So I went around twice already. I'm going to go ahead and use a hairpin to secure it. I'm probably really crazy right now. Alright, and keep on going. And there you have it. And there you have it. Yeah. Now, to do the bun, what you're going to want to do is take the hair and you're going to start at the thickest portion of it and you're going to twist. You're really just trying to condense the size, the volume of it by just twisting it out as best you can. So I'm going to twist it all the way to the end and try and keep it tight. And once you twist, you have it all nice and twisted out. And I'm not looking at a mirror, so this may not be as graceful, but you'll get the point. And then you're just going to twist the bun around like so. It looks a little crazy right now, but that end of the ponytail that I've twisted out, I'm going to take a hairpin and go ahead and situate that right there. And next you just take hairpins and push your bun down, pin it down to where you like it. Because I don't have a mirror, I'm going to go off camera really quickly and get this all pinned down, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. Thank you so much for tuning in today. That is it. We will see you next week. And wait a minute, I'm about to close out this video without giving something away. What am I thinking? So I was thinking, I've been going pretty crazy with eyelashes on all of our videos. Like, I feel every video I do, the eyelashes get more and more dramatic. And I thought it'd be fun to get you guys in on that with me. So I'm not on this planet alone trying out different eyelashes on, social media. But that is going to be our giveaway for this week. So for the first 5 people to take a screenshot of this YouTube video and post on their Instagram, will get a free pair of MINK eyelashes. I'll give you 3 different style options of MINK eyelashes. So if you wanted something super dramatic or something a little less or something a little more normal, either way, there'll be MINK eyelashes. You'll have 3 options to choose from. Again, you have to take a screenshot of this YouTube video, post on your Instagram, and boom, you get some eyelashes from us, all right? Free MINK eyelashes too, by the way. All right, thanks again for tuning in. I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss